Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda. Back again with me, Vim Anugrah, in Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda after almost a year. In the previous lesson, so far, we've already learned about the Aksara Sunda kuno, whether vowels, consonant, or vocalization. Due this time, which is a practical one regarding the usage of Aksara Sunda, I'm going to deliver a basic conversation in Sundanese language, that is, greetings, or Aweh Salam. Put this situation on which Ujang was on the way to school to pick up his kid, while he met Asih. Punten, mangga. Wilujeng enjing Bu Asih? Wilujeng enjing Pak Ujang? Kumaha damang? Pangesto, kumaha sawalerna? Sae, bade teras ka mana ieu teh? Oh, ieu bade ngajemput pun anak. Mangga atuh permios. Mangga. Now let's talk about the word we've just learned. Punten. Excuse me. Mangga. Yes, please. Wilujeng enjing. Good morning. Kumaha damang literally means how fine. How are you? Pangesto. Yes, of course. Kumaha sawalerna? How about you? Sae. Good. Bade ka mana? Where are you going? Ngajemput anak. Pick up kid. Permios. Permission. As what we have learned, we have wilujeng enjing to greet other people. However, Sundanese language also has the other greeting, such as wilujeng siang means good day or good afternoon, and wilujeng wengi means good evening. Maybe that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed. Mugia urang tiasa tepang deui lain waktos. Goodbye. Kaganga pikeun urang Sunda.